Hello and welcome to Practice 2. In this lecture, we will practice enhancing SAP standard program by using function module exit of customer exit. First, we will go to the transaction IE01. The transaction code is used for creating an equipment master data. For example, we have a requirement to add additional logic if maintenance plant is blank, so the program will show a message error, and also we will set the acquisition date to date. First thing we have to do is making sure that there is a customer exit applicable for that requirement, because not all SAP standard programs can be enhanced by using customer exit. To check whether the program can be enhanced or not, there are several ways. Like first, we will ask functional team, and second one is we can search on Google for customer exit list when creating equipment. And the third one, we can debug the program and then setting breakpoint for command call customer function, command call customer function, because function module exits are called in standard program by using call customer function. And then fourth one, we can search immediately in the program for string call customer function. And then fifth, we can go to transaction SMOD and search customer exit by using search help. And then if we do not find the customer exit, maybe the program uses another type of enhancement like BADI or business like BTE. But if another type of enhancement also does not exist, so it means we cannot enhance the program. Okay, for now we will choose the fourth way, searching immediately in the program for string call customer function. First, we go to the system status for knowing the program name, and then we go to the program by double clicking the program name, and the program will open, and so we can search for the customer function. Let's search for the customer function. There are several customer exits in this program, so we can check one by one, like which exit that is applicable for the requirement. We actually double click the function module name, and then we copy the function module exit name. Let's copy it. And then we go to the transaction code SMOD. By using the transaction, we can see the component of customer exit and also the documentation. Because we only know the function module exit name, so we have to get customer exit name or enhancement name by using search help. We click information system, and then we click button expand additional selection, and then we put the function module exit name in the component name, and then we execute. Let's execute, and then we can get the exit or enhancement name. So the enhancement name is IEQM0003. We will use this, and we can also search the customer exit by only using search help and then SAP application, and then we search for the transaction create equipment. Let's do this. Okay, we have done getting the exit name, and then we can see the documentation of the exit. From the documentation, we know that the customer exit is suitable for the requirement, and then we can use this customer exit. Okay, so this is the procedure, and we read the documentation to get the way, like how to use this customer exit. We can show message error by raising posting not allowed exit or posting not allowed exception. So we can use both of them to show the error message, and let's do further. So we also can update or change the data of equipment. So we go to the component of the customer exit. We see that this customer exit only has one function module exit. So we double click the function module exit to see the parameters. So the function module exit has importing parameters. With these importing parameters, we can read the data of equipment. And this function module exit has exporting parameters. With this, we can update the data of the equipment. Okay, let's move further. This function module exit also has exception to raise error message, so we can use this for the error message handling. We have seen the customer exit definition by using transaction code SMOD, and then we will implement this customer exit by using transaction code SMOD. We go to the transaction code SMOD. First, we create enhancement project with the name Z enhance PM01. The name is up to you, and then we press the button create. So you can use your own name, but starting with the Z or Y. And then we fill the description field. And then we press enhancement assignment, but we have to save first. Let's save this. And then we put the customer exit name. One enhancement project can have more than one customer exit. Okay, keep in mind. And then we press the button components. And we see the component is still not active. So we double click the function module exit. To add source codes to function module exit, we double click the include. So SAP will generate the include for us. If there is a warning message, don't worry. You just press button enter on keyboard. So we can use the parameters of the function module exit to read or to update the data. For example, we want the source codes are executed when the program is in create mode. So we read the importing parameters activity underscore type. Remember these parameters actually, importing and exporting, these are very important. And then we click whether maintenance plant is initial. This is a check also. If yes, we raise the error using posting not allowed exit exception. So as we earlier discussed, we will show the error message from the documentation of the customer exit. We know that this exception can be used if we want to show our own message error, but if we want to show SAP standard message error, so we can use posting not allowed exception. Keep in mind, if we want to show the SAP standard error message, then we will use this. Also we can show the custom message, and then we will set the acquisition date today. If we do not know the field name, we can see the parameter of the customer exit first. So based on the documentation, we also have to set the update flag. Update flag is important to like maintain the logic we are implementing. We activate the program. And then we activate the enhancement project. And then we can test the program. We run transaction code IE01, for which we created the enhancement actually. So we maintenance plant, when maintenance plant is empty, and then we press button save, the error message is shown that we implemented, and then we fill the plant, and then we save again. So you can see there is no any error message. Okay, let's test further, and then we change the equipment we have made. We see the acquisition date is today date that we actually maintained in the enhancement. So okay, we have done practice, and we have enhanced an SAP standard program by using customer exit, and it is by using function exit component. So okay, I think enough until here for this chapter. See you again in the next chapter. Thank you very much.